Hello everyone, welcome to Craft Chocolate TV. My name is Dylan Butterbaugh and I am with Manoa Chocolate. Today we are going to talk about what we do before we do construction on any room for new equipment to arrive. And so it's really important to understand spatially what you're working with and how much space the equipment is going to need around it, how many tables you might need, where the product is going to go, and to think this whole process through. And so what you can see is we've begun prepping a room, we've painted it, we've added new LED lights, we're getting the floor ready. But one thing we did today is we just laid out roughly the idea of how long the equipment is, where it's going to end up, where we're going to stand, how many tables we're going to need, just to get an idea before everything arrives, so that when it does arrive, we can just plug it in and we're good to go. So we're starting to route all the conduit for electrical, and there's just so much thought that needs to go into preparing a space. Now, right in front of me here is where we're going to knock a hole through the CMU wall, and we're going to be bringing our chocolate bars on bakery carts, on the sheet pans, and so we'll be wheeling it through, bringing it to right here, and then this is our flow wrapping machine on the floor. So there'll be someone on each side, and we'll be loading this conveyor, and it will go through and it'll enter our metal detector, which is right where I'm at now, which will then automatically feed into a conveyor that is going to have what's called a pick and place. And so it's got suction cups using air, and it'll grab the chocolate bars and place it onto this next machine where it's going to actually put the exterior package on the chocolate bar. So this is going to be the sleeving machine. And you can see we're really tight on space. Packaging requires a lot of space and a lot of time. And so this is going to be the biggest cost savings for us and buy our time back. And so we're constantly reinvesting into equipment so that we can buy our time back, so we can focus on things that we would rather do, which is maybe go to chocolate shows and travel around to different origins that we purchase from, or start farms. So this is our way of reinvesting back into the company. This is how we prepare a room before we expand and grow. This is another episode of Craft Chocolate TV. Thanks for watching. See you next time.